Hi, I'm Jeff with Hydrant Buddy. I'd like to talk a little bit today about proper lubrication and maintenance of the Hydrant Buddy. Usually once a year, you should probably grease it up and keep it running in top condition. The first thing you do is remove the plug in the bottom of the tool. With your Allen key, just unthread the plug, save it for later. You're going to take your Zerk fitting that comes in the box, thread that into the drive, and tighten it up. There's two Zerk fittings on the tool. One is for the bearing and one is for all the gears up in top. You connect your grease pump, turn on the pump. While it's pumping, you're going to rotate the tool. Once that is done, you move it to the next Zerk fitting, insert it, pump it up until grease starts coming out of the drive. When you're done greasing, just remove the Zerk fitting, take your plug, reinstall it. You don't want to get any contaminants up into the gearbox. Just make sure it's tight, about 5 inch-pounds. It's plenty good. You can always go to our website, check out the manual. There's other videos and how-tos, and if you have any questions, post it below. We'll make another video for you. Thank you.